As a manufacturer in the life science and laboratory equipment sector, you know that digitalization is a trend that opens up completely new possibilities. This is the opportunity to transform your supply chain and inventory management, to achieve streamlined processes, consistent stock availability, more efficient resource allocation, and overall resilience. Our proven solutions, like Smart Factory Logistics, help you reduce as much as 60% operational costs. Digitalization also has the potential to revolutionize your assembly processes, whether they are a high-mix variation of lab process equipment or a lower production volume of advanced analytical instruments. Experience how increased automation will simplify the work and induce optimal process control, reliability, transparency, and more flexibility. With our IoT solutions and services, we guide you into the digital future of your production. Leverage the benefits of digitalization and excel like our 800-plus global medical and life science customers. Contact us at bossard.com.